Hello everyone, this is Soham
And this is Naman.
and welcome to Royal Family. Today we are traveling from Amritsar to Delhi in Vande Bharat. More about the train coming up. Guys, this is our train Vande Bharat Express. We are in C2 coach, chair car, seat number 28 and 29. This is a mini Vande Bharat in the blue and white color scheme, which has 8 coaches, and our departure time is 8:20, and our arrival time at Delhi is 1:50. Here's Naman. Okay, Naman. So can you tell us about where we are right now, where this train is starting from?
Right now we're in Amritsar. It's a very beautiful place. It's a must visit. Yeah, and it has loads of historical sites to see. And way much more.
Guys, now we're leaving from Amritsar station. Yeah. So I'm really excited for this journey since Vande Bharat has been my dream train since I was 10. Now I'm 13. Guys, time for our seat review. Okay, so over here we have got this headrest. We've got this head support over here in the headrest. Armrest. Sadly, there's no individual armrests, which we all hate. We've got this seat.
Nice soft
seat. We've got this button to push your seat back or pull it towards you when you're reclining the seat. And you've got these charging points over here to charge your device.
and some space under here to keep stuff.
And also we have got this to keep your phones and all.
Okay. Now I'm going to do this contraption. First over here we got a nice little leg rest.
Which is difficult to maneuver.
Yeah, but if you get it easy. Then we have a tiny pouch
For storing stuff.
A nice tray table, which is a little hard to open, but still, we found it. And then some find and scan the QR code.
Some more advertisements basically.
Basically, yeah.
Guys, so here's the first breakfast we have been given. Tea and some biscuits. And here's our cup.
And yeah, by the way, when you want to go for the Wi-Fi, like when you go to the Wi-Fi and click sign in, it will actually take you to a page where there are multiple movies, TV shows, and way more information about the train.
And also it has documentaries about Indian Railways and Naman drinking his hot water. And now our train has picked up speed. Okay guys, now it's 8:43. It's some time since we have left. It's been 23 minutes. And this is the second time the train has had speed. First time it reached 110 highest. Now it's going above 110, 112 also it's going. And this is very cool because otherwise you go in any other train, it won't be this fast. But Vande Bharat, look at this. It's just skipping every station, every train. You're directly going to be asked, no stops whatsoever. Guys, this is the infotainment that you get once you connect to the train's Wi-Fi. You have Indian songs. All of these are very old. These some documentaries about Indian Railways, kids movies, kids shows.
I don't know what pretty old, pretty iconic.
You get thriller movies. You also get information about the train, next station, speed, last updated on. You get these movies, television, music, assistance. So yeah, for the value of how much ever you've paid, it's very much worth it. And I would definitely recommend traveling in it at least once. Thank you. Okay guys, now it's time for our breakfast. We have upma, veg cutlet, tomato ketchup,
And I dropped my spoon.
We have IRCTC branded tissues, cake and yogurt.
And I just dropped my spoon.
Naman just got skill tissues. But yeah, that's what we have for breakfast. I will taste and let you know. And what we had for that tea, those biscuits were very good, digestive, and the tea was also good. For that, remember to put the whole packet of the tea mixture.
And mix it very, very, very well. No white spots should be seen.
Yeah. So thank you, guys. So now we have reached Beas station. Train is coming to a halt, and it was a very quick journey. Otherwise, in other trains or by car, it would take you more than an hour. Trains would take you 45 minutes, and then otherwise it would take you an hour.
And
But look at this. This train was made in September 2023 by ICF Chennai. You can also see it seats 78 people. Look at this automatic gates. Look at that. We're about to reach Jalandhar station, and yeah, here's the thing between the two coaches. In other trains you can see the tracks down. It's very scary kind of. It's not scary for me, but then many people find that scary. But over here there's none of that. Just smooth, seamless transition into the other coach. Sometimes you don't even notice. This coach is C1. This is the engine also. So yeah, guys, look at this. So over there it shows that which washroom is empty and which washroom is used. It is being used right now, so it saves you time and you don't have to stand there queuing up for the washroom. And over here there's a screen which gives you information about like the next stop, the current speed, and yeah, guys, we also have reading lights over here which you just click, and then yeah, thank you. Guys, this train runs daily except Friday, and the cost for chair car is around 1.3k, but it varies from here because it's dynamic pricing in these premium trains, so it will vary from time to time based on demand and the time. So guys, now we're going at the speed of 130 kilometers an hour. Do you think we'll be able to reach 140? Let me add one more thing. I would request you guys to give feedback in the comments, because with that it helps me in improving my videos and giving better quality videos for you guys. Thank you. Guys, there are lots of announcements about that's available in the train, the facilities, the amenities. Like, you get provided one water bottle of 500 milliliters, and then if you want another one, you can get that for free, because technically you're supposed to get 1 liter, but they give 500 milliliters because 1 liter is sometimes too much for people. Even I don't need 1 liter of water. I don't drink that much water. So yeah, and another thing, this train is very, very smooth. It's time for the washroom review. Here we've got the Western style washroom. Soap, more soap, water tap, hand dryer, and toilet, shower, flush button. There's a room freshener. Yeah, there's a fire extinguisher also, and just to hang stuff. Now time for the Indian style. Again, everything else is the same. The only difference between being the washroom, which is Indian style. Yeah, I think that's it. Thank you. Now we have gotten this ice cream.
It's vanilla, Amul flavor, Amul light.
Made from milk. So I've got vanilla. Okay.
The thing is, it's rock hard right now, so as you can hear, wait, get this thing closer. You may be able to hear like a rock beating thing.
Yeah, and the breakfast and food overall was extremely great in this train. So I would definitely recommend you travel in this train. Okay guys, so now we have reached Delhi's Old Delhi railway station. This railway station is a very famous railway station. Our coach number C2, you can see the code over there, and we have reached 6 minutes before time. So I would totally go and say this is a very fast train, very good train, and yeah, thank you for